Imagine indulging in a thick banana cream dessert that's creamy and rich. Start by mashing 3 ripe bananas and adding a splash of lemon juice to keep them fresh. Melt some butter in a saucepan, stir in the bananas, and if you like, a pinch of turmeric for a vibrant color. Whisk together egg yolks and cornstarch, then mix in milk, and combine it all in the saucepan until it thickens. Once cooled, fold in whipped cream for that airy texture. Now, for a light strawberry dessert, puree 200 grams of strawberries, then mix with an egg yolk, sugar, and cornstarch. Cook until thick, cool it down, and fold in whipped cream. Chill both desserts for a couple of hours, and you're ready to serve. Enjoy these delightful treats.